everyone, welcome back to Digital Rashmi, your go-to channel for all the digital marketing things in SEO. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic in SEO, that is schema markup. Ever wondered why is it so important and how to do it? Before we go to the how, let's understand why. What is the importance of schema markup and why we should be doing it?
Before we get into the how, let's understand the why behind schema markup. In simple terms, schema markup is a type of code that you add to your website to help search engines understand your content better. It provides additional context about the web page, allowing search engines to display richer and more informative results to users. Now let's take example of this recipe page. Suppose a user is typing and searching mango shake recipe on Google search results. This is the example of search result page where schema markup is available for the web pages. This is how it will appear with all this more and richer information. Now in the second tab, it is an example of web page search query where no schema markup is available. It is a simple term, a keyword buy mangoes, and there is no schema markup web page available. Just imagine searching for a recipe online and seeing the star rating, cooking time, and even nutritional information right there in the search results. That's the power of schema markup. It helps your website stand out from the crowd and increases your chances of getting more clicks. Now that we understand its importance, let's talk about how to implement schema markup. First, you need to identify the relevant schema markup for your content. There are various types of schemas available, such as article, recipes, product, event, and many more. Choose the one that aligns with the content you want to mark up. Now that you have your appropriate schema type, you can start implementing it. There are a few ways to do this. You can manually add schema markup to your HTML code, but that requires a technical knowledge and know-how. Alternatively, you can use schema markup generators available online. There are a lot of tools available which you can use for generating your schema markup. Suppose this one. Let's take this example and create a schema markup code here. Let's say we want to create schema markup for an article like how to do this stuff, all these kinds of articles. What you need to do is you need to fill all this information, main title, description, estimated time, and the URL if available, and this online tool will create the code for you, which you can use on your website. User-friendly interface where you can fill in the required details and the generator will create the schema markup code for you. It is very simple. Now that you have your schema markup code, the next step is to add it to your website. You can insert the code directly into your HTML using the script tag, or you can use a plugin if you are using a content management system like WordPress. If you are using WordPress, you can simply install plugin for the schema markup. There are a lot of plugins available in WordPress which you can use for adding your schema markup information. Once your schema markup is live on your website, it's time to sit back and reap the benefits. Search engines will now have a better understanding of your content, and you may see improved visibility in search results, increased click-through rate, and even enhanced rankings.
That's all for today's video on schema markup. I hope you found it informative and you are inspired to implement schema markup on your website. If you have any queries or suggestions related to schema markup and you want to share your experiences with schema markup, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital Rashmi for getting more exciting digital marketing and SEO tips. Until next time, happy optimizing.